Good morning. It is ClayTrader. It is 9:29 a.m. Eastern. About to go live here anytime now. Looking at SRPT this morning. Looking at a few other ones too. Facebook, of course. So we'll see where the live trades take us. The market's open, and I'll keep you posted. All right. I have an order into short at 60.25 here on Facebook. So I'm in, looking to cover at 60.15. You can see here that the chart is quite a bit overextended to the upside. So I'm thinking that it's got some room here to pull back here. And right now going for a 10-cent score, whereas usually I only go for a 5. But like I said, I like the overextended state of the chart. If it doesn't look like it's going to pull back, then I can just adjust that to a 5-cent score or whatever. So we'll see what happens, but it's looking like it's showing some strength here, so I may need to build a higher position. But first, need to just let this settle down a little bit, show where a potential high may be. So with that, I am just going to move my order up to cover for a 5-cent move, just because it's showing some strength here. And looks like the 10-cent move that still may very well happen, but at this point, just with the way it's acting, I'm just going to have to readjust to a 5-cent move here. So we will see if that happens. If I do get filled, this will turn to green. So that's the area of the screen to watch down here. So we'll see if it can pull back there. And there I am. I am out now for a $75 gain. So we'll see if I can catch some more trades in here. And just an update, there was the 10-cent move that I could have got. But like I said, it was showing some strength, so I just wanted to play it more on the conservative side. But it would have ended up working out nice and then some. But, the plan was 10 cents and, plan the trade and trade the plan. So that's what I did. But that's where things stand right now. I'll try to catch some more trades. I have an order in to try to go long here at 59.70 on this current pullback here on Facebook. Not sure if it's going to get down there or not, but we will see. But that's the current status. You can see the order in down there. So I will keep you posted. So I'm going to just cancel this buy order down here at 59.70. You can see a bounce is happening. But what I do now have is an order at 60.40 to go short. So that's the current status of things. Looking around at some other stocks, but just not seeing anything that really is too attractive. So just sticking with Facebook for now. But something else pops up, I'll be sure to let you know. Right, I changed that order. I'm now looking to go short at 60.55. So we'll see if it can break up there. This candle was really showing some strength when I was looking at level 2, so didn't like the 60.40. And the 60.40 did get demolished. I would have been going for a 5-cent score. So let's see if I would have gotten out there. See if any 60.35 start to print over here. That would be the clue that I would have been out. And yeah, it would have still worked out. So shame on me for not just trusting my original plan. But do have an order in though to short at 60.55. So we will see if that happens or not. But yeah, darn it, that's what I get for not listening to my original plan. Okay, we have just massive dead bodies here on plug. So I'm going to try to buy into some of this panic here. This may be, well, might have missed the move here. Bummer. I think there was a conference call somebody said in the chat room at 10. So my guess is this is the hype leading up to the conference call. And then the CEO opened his mouth or something happened and the market did not like it. Or this could just be, the black boxes out there trading. Who really knows? But I was a little bit slow, wanted to buy into the panic here to try to catch some of this bounce, but just was a little too slow. And maybe I'll still try to keep an eye on it. Should be some, this volume should keep up. So maybe I'll try to play it. But yeah, was a little too slow on trying to buy the dead body candle here. And now I'm sitting back watching, the nice bounce happen. So I will see if I can catch something. I don't think I'm able to short this. So if I do play it, it's going to have to be from the long side. But I'll see if I can find a trade somewhere. Okay, I have an order in to buy at 59.50 here on Facebook on this pullback. This is more based off of the 5-minute chart. So we'll see if it can get down there. You can see it's already pretty overextended, so it doesn't have to push that much further, but I'll just be looking to go for a 5-cent move. And I imagine there's going to be quite a few buyers at 59.50 just because it's that one of those round numbers. And now it's already starting to bounce. So back up into the 60s. So not looking like it may. Sorry, I'm thinking right now as I'm trying to talk, which obviously isn't working. So yeah, that's kind of the move I was looking for. I was hoping it could push down just a little bit further. Actually, how low did it go? Because I went as low as... Let me show you just the power of charts here if you don't believe in them and why I technically screwed things up. I was basing it off of the 50 period simple moving average, this purple line here on the 5-minute. Right now it's based at 59.52. And as you can see, the lowest that it went was 59.52, so it bounced right off of there. So if you're kind of on the fence of whether or not charts work, here's just a great example of them working. Look, bounced right off that area. So prime example there. So and like I said, I had mine at 59.50, so I didn't quite follow the chart, and now you can see I missed that bounce. So that's what I get for not using the exact. Like I said, I just wanted to put it right at that round number. Pulling back here, but I don't like it now just because if you've watched my other videos, you've seen the first move is kind of what I'm looking for. Now I could see it coming down here if it hits 59.50, actually falling through. So that's why I'm a little bit more hesitant now and why I canceled the order, just because this move down here, that's what I was looking for. And then you can see that got the nice little 12-cent bounce or whatever, and that's the move I wanted to play. I just didn't get the entry on it. So now if it comes down here, I can just see this falling further down here. So I feel like if I'm going to go long, I can probably get a better entry point than 59.50 at this point. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated on this scenario if 59.50 does fall, or maybe I'm wrong and 59.50 would have been a nice little solid entry, but that's just where things stand at this point. Okay, we're approaching the 59.50 mark. I don't have my order there, but I wanted to just see. Let's see if and like I said, a lot of buyers right there at 59.50. And that's broken, and I would expect that it's gonna. And like I said, it might still work, so let's just kind of paper trade that. I originally said 59.50, would like to have gotten out at 59.55, but as you can see, it's now 10 cents below, so that by no means would have been the ideal entry. It might still work out, but like I said, as far as an ideal entry, I just didn't feel that would be a good one any longer, and you can see that is indeed playing out. So I'll keep you posted. I mean, I don't want to. So yep, it would have ended up working out still, but regardless, the risk versus reward just wasn't as strongly in my favor as it once was. So I still feel totally fine about that, even seeing it work out. And as you can see, just a slow day, still only up $75. I'm not really focused too much on trading. There's some other things going on with the blog and everything that I'm just kind of working on. But nonetheless, I've tried to make some trades, and things still aren't working out. So I'll try to catch one more, but if not, I'm probably just going to be wrapping this video up here pretty soon. And, I've talked through some things. So, yeah, I'm sorry I haven't really caught too much, but it is what it is. And, yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, to be honest, I think it's been about 40-ish minutes since my last update, and I haven't even looked at any charts or trades. I'm just busy with some other things. So I'm just going to wrap it up here, $75 on the day. A couple of attempted trades that just didn't work out. A couple of times where I didn't listen to myself that would have worked out, but it's just one of those mornings where I'm not that focused. Maybe I have a case of the Mondays for any of you who have seen Office Space, but regardless, I'm just going to wrap it up. If you're interested in learning how to trade like this, and when I say like this, I don't mean day trading looking for 5-cent moves. I just mean trading with technical charts, which is what these are. Then go to my blog, ClayTrader.com, where you can click in the links below the video. I offer numerous courses on how to use charts for your trading, how to eliminate emotions, all that good stuff. Also have a trading room. That's a chat room, and that's a yearly subscription. Very fair pricing on that too, so check that out. It's called the Inner Circle, and one of those things where if you read some testimonials, you'll see it's a very good value for your money. So again, thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't capture any more trades, but at least you got to kind of just see the morning of a trader where things are just kind of blah. So thanks for listening. Hopefully you learned something.